this guy's doing something illegal there. We caught it. We caught you, buddy. I absolutely love this car. It's a Laguna Seca Blue. Ooh, geez, it's that clutch. It's a Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3, and what a drive this thing is. It's so nice and comfy. It's got a really tall shifter, which I'm not really a fan of, but the driving experience is the real deal with these E46 M3s. This car is a real blast to drive. I mean, it gets tons of attention pretty much anywhere you go. The color, right? It's a very unique blue. Probably one of the famous blues that a lot of other companies have been inspired by, like Subaru. They all have their own spin on this kind of blue. And now to the fun part. Doing this one-handed is not a good idea. Hard brake, stay wide, turn in, gentle, wide out. Woo! That was a lot of fun. And my keys are gone. It's crazy, you have a little bit of shenanigans and already you're at zero fuel. Wow, I still got it. Those were some heel-toe downshifts, one-handed. Craziness. You need to have skill to do that, okay? Skill. I got no skill. Maybe a little bit. My initial thoughts on the E46 M3 is it's not the fastest car by any means. I like, however, the fact that it is just a great driving experience. Oh, look at this C63 right there. Sorry. I have the attention span of a squirrel. But the way that the engine sounds, it sounds like it's angry, like someone really pissed it off, like someone gave it a really bad downshift, and it's like, you know what? I'm gonna play you the sound of my people. And I personally, I like the rasp. Some people, they find that the car can be too raspy, but I actually really like the way it sounds. So as you can see, the interior, it does have the Harman Kardon speaker system for the car. I like the fact that the dials are gray. But BMW, they really wanted to make this a driver's car. So you don't really have all the fanciest buttons and leather options. Like it's pretty crappy. Everything else is just very simple. And I like how minimalistic it is. Is this the most luxurious car? Hell no. But is this probably one of the most fun cars to experience? Oh, this guy's doing something illegal there. We caught it. We caught you, buddy. Yeah, this is definitely one of the most enjoyable driving experiences. And when you go with like a big shifter like this one here, it makes it that much more fun to drive.